Ladies, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the BG Dollar stream. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, what are we getting up? We're going to get up MetaTrader. Right, today we're probably going to, do some trading. It's time for the main event of the evening. So, let's just see what's happening in the markets already, people. Yeah, it's 12.54, 5 to 1. Probably trade Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. We might even go tempting into the pound dollar as well. You know what I'm saying? We lagging? Are we good? I think we're good. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let me just edit the titles in the stream, because we about to trade, so we're gonna do some trading, probably do some editing after that. You know what I'm saying? I've got to do some more filming as well, actually, after that as well. Oh. Does anyone ever have an itchy neck? Hey, let me know if any of you out there have itchy necks, man. I don't have an itchy neck too often, but you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I do get hit with the itchy neck. Bum, bum, bum. Trading. Gold. Bum. FX. Bum. Live, because it's time for the main event of the evening. See that? BG dollars. Make sure to be liking up the stream, subscribing up, following up if you're on the... This should be good stream, people. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, let's see what's happening with it. Because we like to go on the minute chart. I'm saying, we've had some juicy trades so far today. See, that would have been a loss, bro. Let's get up MetaTrader. I have to get on MetaTrader because I can just get a quicker reaction, you know what I'm saying? It's time for the main event. Oh shit, pound dollar's up to 1.21. Holy smokers. Is there any news coming out today? Oh, it's a Tuesday. I'm pretty sure we do have some news. So we hop over onto Forex Factory. If you don't know already, Forex Factory is the news station. So boom, any news, any events that are coming out for the economy, we just hop on Forex Factory and it's there. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what's been happening. Around 8:30 a.m. So let me just get this in GMT. Because, right, it's like 1 p.m. here. Right, yeah, there we are. Your synchronized time is now 12:57 p.m. Synchronized time can be found at the top of every page to the clock icon. Save settings, man, come on. Right, if we can just go on home then. Here we go. So what did we have? We had the pound PMI out. Oh, look at that. You see, things are getting better for the pound now. Bro, like, seriously? I mean, I don't think there's going to be any trades at all on gold, so I don't think we need to worry too much. But we can have a little look. You know, we can always have a quick look. See, 1833. Let's have a quick look on the hour. Nah, I think we are still very far away from that. So, yeah. No, I'm not going to be taking any trades on that one for now. Right. Anyway, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, man. Come on. Pound dollar. That surprised me that we are up to 1.21. I mean, what? When did we just like rocket up? We must have done it somewhere today. Yeah, shit here. Around the 11:30 mark this morning. Well, what happened around that time? 11:30, 10:30. No, so around the 9:30 mark. Was that when that data came out? Was that when the PMI came out? 9:30. Yeah, it did. Wow, really? It's that much of a mover just for the PMI? See, I don't really take much notice of the PMI. All I know is when it's under 50 is contraction. You know what I'm saying? 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 Oh, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh. Bro, what's going on with this, man? Do I give a fuck? No? Does BG dollars give a fuck? No. What? We out here trading, man. Alright, I'm actually going to stick that on because it's a bit chilly. The reason why I'm like this is because I just got out of bed, you know what I'm saying? So, got out of bed, boom, I hopped on the stream. It's around 1 PM, I know, that's what I'm saying, we're doing late white ones. I was editing late till late last night. So that's what's been happening. This pound dollar just still keeps rocketing up, bro. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I mean, I prefer an Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar trade if I'm being brutally honest with you. This could be a trade that I might want to hop in potentially. Where's my sheet? Bro, no, don't tell me we got rid of the sheet. Don't tell me we got rid of the flipping sheet. We found it. We got it. And look, as I said, look, that was a possible trade that I wanted to get in. We lost the sheet. I go back and I find the sheet, and what happened? Oh, look, we've missed the trade. Too late to get in now. We wanted to get in here. You have about 5 seconds to get into the market. And if you're not there during those 5 seconds, the market's bomb. It's gone without you. I'd have gotten in around about here, and it's too late now to go back in it. The only thing we'll be able to do is if it came back the way down, all the way down to it. Which, I mean, I should have prepped myself. Hey, I kind of hope it was a losing trade now, bro. I got so lucky, it would have been a losing trade. So, we like to see it, people. You know, we like a little bit of luck. A little bit of luck never goes a harm in trading, you know what I'm saying? We'll take that. We'll take that. I was just about to take a trade. Turned out to be a losing one. And I didn't take it because I'd missed it. So, you know, that's a little bit of luck for us. And it seems to be quite a big loser as well. I mean, look, this really is starting to come down. He's starting to squabble with the markets. If we get a hold and drop below here, that's when we take a trade to the downside. We get a hold and close above this line. That's when we take a trade to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. So that's how we're trading. Anyway, got the sheet there. If we get a hold and close above or below the 2 black lines, we take a trade. If we don't get a hold and close, we don't take a trade. That is how we trading. None of this, I think this, I think that this could happen. Boom. The fact that we're in a downward trend suggests that I'm more willing to sell than buy. This has been a very downward trend. Maybe we get a bounce. Maybe we get a bounce. However, what's more likely is that we just carry on the downward trajectory. What I do like to see actually is a new chart on the pound yen, because we should be able to get the pound yen up. Bro, really? Let's search up for the pound yen then. Okay, and then we'll go for a file new chart. And there we go. What we thinking, ladies and gentlemen? What we thinking? The pound dollar really moving upwards on the minute chart. Pound dollar really moving upwards on one of the charts, ladies and gentlemen. We go over to the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Oh, we didn't quite get the close on that. So we're still waiting for it to close below this line. We didn't quite get close on that one. The pound dollar's really moving up now nicely. Possible sell-off here. I mean, we reached up this level, sold off. So again, we could see some selling pressure, some red candles come down from around this area. We are above the high Bollinger Band as well, so I think we could see some red, yet we're starting to see a little bit of red now. How are we doing on the Aussie dollar? So we've bounced off our bottom black line, could climb up to the top black line. Who knows? To be honest with you, I'm not too bothered about that. I mean, when we get a close above or below the black lines, that's when we will take a trade. If we have a quick look at the Nasdaq's down quite a bit today, down to 12,219. On no real news, I mean, look, this thing I think is going to go down. I mean, if we go back onto trading view, gold's pushing up nicely here. Let's have a quick look on the minute chart. There we are. That's for gold, people. We'll have a quick look at the SPY. Obviously, the S&P 500 is just quite a nice little benchmark to go by. I mean, personally, I think this is coming down quite a bit today. Not the SPY. We can go on the SPX because that's a live market for now. We can actually see the market movement. See, I think we're coming down quite a bit today. Maybe we extend the drop a little bit more, bounce off this sort of resistance mark at around 422, so 4022 for the S&P 500. But yeah, I mean, I think this could be around the top. I honestly think we could come back down and see a 360, 370. I mean, that would be pretty extreme, but I think we can do it, you know? I think we can do it. Or it's either that or we get a possible retest. So we'll come down, maybe test this, what is this? The middle Bollinger Band at the 20 moving average, and we'll get a retest of this trend line and then pop higher, going up to maybe like 400 later on in the year. I mean, if we have a quick look at Bitcoin, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I mean, this year I think it's going to come up to around between at least 35 and 40k. I think we come back up to this sort of mark. Early 30s, mid 30s. Mate, I'm saying around April time, as I'm saying, around like April, May, I think we're up at the 30k mark. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm being honest, people. And if I think that on Bitcoin, then surely I must think that the S&P 500 will also go up. Which indicates that, yeah, we would get a bounce just off this trend line and then really rally from there. Let's have a quick look at Plutus. Yeah, Plutus really dipping. To be fair, I could have sold a little bit up here, but you know, it didn't happen. It's not really the end of the world because I would have lost my cash back anyway. So let's go on LinkedIn. Let's have a quick look at what the feed is saying. When to buy and sell according to the Phil Fisher. I mean, I don't really, you know. Individual investors beginning to pull out the stock market. Trading volumes among retail investors hit their lowest levels since January 2020. Robinhood's daily average revenue trades have dropped from 4 million last year to 1.3 million now. Remember, investing compounds only when you give it time. Be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. Yeah, I mean, now is a very good time to invest. I mean, now is a good time to invest. I can't lie. However, I do think the S&P has got further to drop. Now would be a good time to just start investing and just trickle in a little bit of money. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, don't go all guns blazing with it. I wouldn't be investing a lot of money. I wouldn't be just investing like my whole savings. But I'd be trickling in to the market now. What are the credit markets smoking? In what could be called one of the biggest disconnects from reality, the credit market seems to be unperpetuated by the signals that are cyclical. The credit spreads generally widen when the fear in the credit market spikes and tighten. You'll be astounded to know that the AA-rated invested credit spreads are now just 55. Same trade, Bitcoin versus Nasdaq. No doubt an interesting correlation. Well, yeah, I mean, that's what I'm saying. Bitcoin really is just moving with the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. Do you know what I'm saying? I mean, like, that is just how it is. That literally is just how it is. You know, all this rubbish about Bitcoin just being like a hedge against inflation, rubbish. Since the beginning of the year, this man's been training to become a plumber. Keynes and Turing are turning in their graves. The tech nation. Right, let's see what's happening with the... I've got to keep an eye on this Aussie dollar. See, look, we did get a close, so therefore we should be taking a trade. Hopefully, if we can actually come up a little bit. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, 0.125%. The stop loss would be here. Let me drag this up. Stop loss would be there at 158, so we're looking at around 20, so we're 0.35 to the sell. Let's go for a 0.38. Bomb. We've got in a sell, and then our stop loss would be 158. Stop loss at 158. 1.10158. Oh, let's just get out. So why could I not adjust my stop loss there? Right, okay, so we've taken an early loss there on the Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar, but I'm really not risking too much at all, so it's okay. Really isn't the end of the world too much, to be honest with you. Where is the pound dollar? We're at 1.21239. Really starting to pull down now. To be fair, I thought potential there could have been a high around here. And we did see the one red, but no, it didn't really come down. I mean, we pushed above it, and now we are starting to see some more red come into the markets. Come into the markets, yeah, yeah, yeah. How's the stream going? If you are new around here and you're watching, please do subscribe, leave a like and comment down below. Love to everyone, viewers at home. As I said, we hit the 70 subscriber mark. I was very happy with that, hitting the 70 subscriber mark, to be honest with you. What's this? Do I trade indices, Jimos? How's the stream going? If you are new around here and you're watching, please do subscribe. Do I trade indices? Comment down I have traded indices. Love to everyone, viewers at home. This is for crypto rigs. As I said, we hit the 70 subscriber mark. This is for crypto rigs, Jimos. Yeah, I do trade indices. Nasdaq. Well, I forgot to say Nasdaq technicals or whatever it was. I do trade indices. I actually had a really nice position. I'll tell you where. In one of my videos, I was talking about shorting the S&P 500, and it was back during. Oh, it was back. Let me get up SPX. Let me get up SPX, and I'll show you where I did short it, because it was. Here it was. Bomb. I shorted it when it hit this trend line. I've been following this trend line literally since day dot, since around about here. I shorted the S&P around mid-August time. Got huge profits. Huge profits, because I literally shorted it all the way down. And I think I got out. I didn't get out right at the bottom. I'm going to be honest, I didn't get out right at the bottom. I got out around about here. It was around about late October I got out. So I didn't get out right down here, but I saw it started to recover. And I got out around about here, I think. When we went past this sort of resistance band. I mean, I was hoping for a bounce up to here and then a continuous sort of downtrend. But anyway, I got out around about here. And that was a decent profit. So then I booked up a holiday. And that was about it. So I do trade the indices, but it's long term. It's a long term trade on the indices. So I do always look, this is the day chart. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's always long term, either the daily or weekly chart frame. So for now, this is what I'm saying. I think that we could come back down towards this trend line. This is just the trend line I've been following for time. You know, I think we could come back down to here, to the 3920s. I'm going to be honest with you, Nasdaq. There you are, Nasdaq. I think we're coming down to the 3920s. And then we possibly see a rally higher. But we could easily break through this trend line and come all the way back down. And then we'd be testing the bottoms at 3.570s. As I said, I'm actually very bearish on stocks and indices in general. So I've got a lot of shorts on. A lot of shorts, which I've been holding for ages. I mean, I've been holding since back here. I mean, I held all through this, and I'm still holding now, and I'm still holding now. Because I think 2024, 2025, I mean, later this year, later 2023 as well. I just think the way the economy is and everything, and the raising of the interest rates and all this, that, and the other, I just see a lot of stocks performing badly. So there we go. I mean, if you want to know a bigger picture of where I'm at, I think we could come as low as around about down here, 2,600s, 2,500s, and you're probably watching thinking, what the fuck? But no, I do think we could come down as low as this, honestly. Like, I'm thinking like as something as bad as a 2008, that's what I'm saying. Now, I've made a few videos on it. If I whip up my channel real quick. I'm not going to play the stream because I realise that actually it's probably lagging out the fucking thing. Because whenever I play YouTube videos and stuff, it lags out the stream. Because it's like the Wi-Fi can't hack it. But no, I mean, I'll pull up some videos. I mean, look, this is where I think gold will reach, and the next S&P 500 peak will be in 10 years. As I'm saying, that was 7 months ago. I've literally been bearish since then, honestly. I'm very bullish on gold 7 months ago. It still stands to that point today. Will be for the next couple of years. Next 5 years, that's what I'm saying. I'm really bullish on gold, and I'm very bearish on the S&P 500. And these are the two videos. If you're interested, I do explain. You know, that one's 17 minutes long. That one's 12 minutes long. So... I go through a lot of economic data that we're seeing today. That's similar to the 2008s, and it's similar to which is pointing towards a gold bull run. And in those videos, I do explain it. So do give them a watch. If you're liking the channel as well, and you know you're subscribed or whatever or not, you know, give it a like and subscribe. That was Jim Bob. That's my mum, Jim Bob's. You know, she just brings up some letters that I've got. So. It's all good. Anyway, we'll whack off that. So yeah, I mean, I'm just going to quickly open this up now, see what it is. It's just going to be something on fucking taxes, I'm pretty sure. It won't be like I have to pay taxes. It will be an online accountancy firm advertising to do the taxes for me. Oh look, here we are. I'm just going to show you that, because I can show you this. Can we help you with your end of year accounts? Debitam. Oh, that's the address. Oh, shit. I mean, look, I don't think NASDAQ, you're going to bust into my house, so it's okay. Yeah, I'm saying. I don't think you're just going to turn up in my yard and just start swinging bangs. So you've seen the address now, so that's that. Anyway, Debitam online account fund. Yeah, I don't give a toss about it because it's just advertisements, just junk mail. So anyway, sometimes I do like to just whisk through LinkedIn, see what's happening. See what's happening. You know, people are chatting about the markets. CFOs and finance leaders facing a challenge. Investors have pushed stocks into the death zone. Who's this guy? Morgan Stanley's Mike Wilson. Is he very important? No. What's this? What was this thumbnail of mountains? Mountaineers. What's he saying about this? 12 mountaineers trying to scale Mount Everest. The book delves into the death zone. Right, okay. Right, okay, Mike Stanley. No, he works at Morgan Stanley. Mike Wilson. Mike Wilson. The air started to thin with PES. Price to earnings down to 18. The equity risk premium down to 225 basis points. In the last few weeks of the year, we lost many climbers who pushed further ahead in the death zone. I'm so confused. Is he talking about the stocks or is he talking about the fucking... What's it called? The fucking mountaineers. Investors began to move faster and more energetically, taking more confidently about a soft landing as they've reached even. I mean, Nasdaq. If you're still watching Nasdaq, I mean, I hope you are. What do you think on a soft landing? Put in the comments below. Oh shit, we've got Canadian CPI coming out in 6 minutes. That should be a big, big figure. 1:30, you know, about 5-6 minutes time. That should be a big figure. That will be a market mover, especially for the Canada markets. So we can get up CAD. We'll get up the pound CAD. We'll also get up the USD CAD as well. How do you find? Oh, there's a way you can split screen. That's what I'm just looking for now, by the way. If I went a bit silent, there's like a way you can split screen. USD CAD. No, if we add, you got to like add round here. Ads, there we are. USD CAD. And then you just go like new price scale. No, not new price scale. Same percentage scale. Am I just being stupid? New pane and then I want this in candlesticks, please. Can we get this in candlesticks, please? Right, visibility, style. Can we not get it in a candlestick instead of a line? By the way, you're probably wondering, oh, why am I not reading chat? Why am I not reading chat? Because I have to pull up the stream to read the chat. And the stream obviously plays into the computer, so you hear me twice. That's why, so I do apologise for that. I just don't quite have the, let's just say the technical abilities to be able to just read the chat as well as stream. Nasdaq technical. Yeah, honestly, right, let's get this down. 3 minutes until the Canadian CPI is out. We're probably going to see some big moves here. What do I think? What do I see? I mean, I think, I mean, what happened to the US inflation? I forgot what happened to the US inflation. Honestly, Canada's kind of does follow in US footsteps quite as well, so. The US inflation came out less, didn't it? No, it ticked up higher. Ticked up higher than expensive. Higher than expected. Then again, their forecast is up 0.7. What's their year over year? Common CPI year over year. I think that's going to come out higher, folks. That's going to come out higher. Month over month, to be fair, 0.7. That's still quite a lot for month over month. Median CPI year over year, definitely higher, I think. That's going to come out above 5%, I'm pretty sure, I reckon. As I said, we can have a look at the markets. Actually, I think it's better to get a USD CAD chart up. And we'll whack this off. And let's just sort of wait. I mean, we can just check up on some of our trades, actually, on MetaTrader. We do trade gold quite a bit as well. Hopefully that can close above. We've got about, what, half an hour. And then we've got an hour till the market open. So USD CAD's starting to fall now. I mean, this data is going to come out literally any second now. So we'll just spam the refresh button. If you are watching, please do like, subscribe, follow. You know, whatever you do, I do go on Twitch as well. So make sure that you're adding everything up, you know, and watch those 2 videos if you're interested in what I think is going to happen to the stock market and gold, then as I said, do watch them videos on my channel. It's called The Gold Peak in 10 years, why I don't think the S&P 500 is going to peak for the next 10 years, and where gold's going to be in 5 years' time. They're the two main videos really explaining everything, what I think for the future. So do give them a watch because they are quite interesting. Alright, let's see what's going to happen with this chart. Right, so we've got, that looks like it's bad for Canada, but then again, I mean, I thought inflation was going to come out higher than expected. I hate that the chart, like, it's almost like insiders know, do you know what I'm saying? Like, they know what's happening. I mean, I think this is going to come out higher than expected, as I kept saying. I think this is going to see above a 5% figure here. You've just got to kind of just spam the reload button. Come on, Forex Factory. Come on. See, I reckon the data has come out. It's just slow to update on this page. Come on, you're my man. Shorty said she's feeling the splash, she's feeling the flow. Going around, getting ready to go. About an hour till the market open. We will be streaming that as well, so that's going to be interesting, especially after this Canadian inflation numbers come out. As I said, I don't think it's going to look great. I think it's going to be higher than usual. We'll see what happens. This is taking fucking forever. Hurry up, please, come on. Oh. See, sometimes just a lovely spam works out, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes just a quick little spam on the Forex Factory just works, no? Right, that's crazy, man. That shit's crazy. So Jim Hobbs has just come in and just slyly took the biscuits. I didn't even notice that shit. She just came in and obviously took the biscuits straight there and then, like, boom, that was it, do you know what I'm saying? No good, I don't like that. Obviously, I fancy a biscuit now, so I've just gone over to look where they are. They're not there. This is what always happens. What's this about? Hello, Mr. Grant. With the new year comes new goals on the resolution, and whilst we've already prime and low already pricing your Christmas stream, so to 2023 is straight down. Ready to ride, get ready to. You can find me in the club. But my man got what you need. How is this not fucking out already? I mean, look, USD CAD really moving upwards. There we are. I mean, I thought we were going to get higher. Let's see. We did it at the 5%. I thought it was going to be above 5%. To be honest, there's only a 0.1 difference. Trim CPI came out just below as well. But that's actually all right for Canada. I'm saying I thought we were going to see like a 5.4, 5.5%. I can't lie. But, I mean, maybe like a 5.3, 5.2 actually. But no, 5%. That's not too bad at all. That's actually pretty good going, considering obviously the other countries like within the G7 and just in general. That's quite low inflation, to be honest with you. So that's all right for Canada. Obviously, the currency obviously didn't like it at all, so that's going to get weaker. Pound dollar's really just sort of tinkering out. I mean, what's happening with like Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar? Let's quickly have a look at that. And I said, if you are watching and you're not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below. And as I said, I do try and get through the comments. If we have a quick little look on the live, let's just see what's happening with it. Look, Meet Kevin's live as well. He always has like some weird cups. Meet Kevin does. To be fair, we could watch a little bit of Meet Kevin live. I don't know if you can live alive. Are you able to do that? Is that illegal? Like, here to make $. Jeez. Here to make $. You know, sometimes I just like my own stream and it just gets the algorithm. That is pretty poor from me. I can't lie. But I do it. Yeah, fuck it. I do it. I do it. But I don't give a. So if you are watching and you're not subscribed, who's there noticing it? Please do hit the subscribe button. Because it's on a different account as well. It's not my main BG Dollars account. Comment down below. Do you know what I'm saying? Not, no one ever notices. Try and get through sneaky one comments. Pull out. If we have a quick little. It's quite funny though. It is quite funny. On the live. I am. I've hit the lowest of the low really, haven't I? Liking my own stream. That is a low. That is a low. Look, Meet Kevin's live as well. He always has like some weird cups. Meet Kevin does. To be fair, we could watch a little bit of Meet Kevin live. I don't know if you can live alive. Right, so we've got about 55 minutes till the market open. To be fair, we could give Warapon a quick bell actually, and we'll stick on the charts as well. We'll give Warapon a quick phone. See what she's saying. I mean, if she answers, if she don't answer, then fuck her. Do you know what I'm saying? Where's my bomb? Oh, really? 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 We're gonna have to go for no webcam. Why isn't this working, man? Yeah. Yup. That ain't good, chat. That ain't good.